What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage.
20 minutes to exit 333, State Route 52.
Just
merged
onto I-75 out of Tennessee, about to cross the Georgia line. I'm about to lose my lane. I'm driving the new auction buy today. Yes. I picked up something very unexpected, y'all. Very unexpected. I am not a BMW guy. I'm just not. I don't know why, because I think they drive really well, but I've just never really been drawn to them. The only BMWs I ever really liked were the old, what are they called, E39s, or what, the 3 Series from the 80s, or the 5 Series from the 80s. Those are classic designs. Like, I'd give anything for a 1988 M5. That is the best looking car I think ever created. But anyway, I digress. This is a 2014 BMW X3, okay? And this little thing is just, this thing is a little jewel. I have just been so stunned by how good it is. It's so smooth and quiet and powerful and just, effortless. And this thing is a decent, it's a medium-sized SUV, and we are running the I believe it's a 2-liter. Correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't it a 2-liter 4? I know it's a 4-cylinder. You open the hood, there's tons of room. 4-cylinder turbo, got plenty of power. Just gobs of power. And this little unit has actually 141,000 miles. So it's got a few miles on it. I guess it's really not that bad. It is a 2014, but the technology in this car is really pretty good for that time. It even has the auto start, which I really don't care for. This is actually the first car I have ever bought that has had that. So it took me, it scared the shit out of me at first when I left the auction. When I came to my very first stop, the car quit. So, I'm thinking, oh, great. I just literally drove out of the gate with a lemon. But some of y'all are probably saying, Joe, you bought a BMW, it is a lemon. But no, actually, this car had a really good Carfax. Lots of good service history that you like to see. A couple of owners, I think 2, might be 3. No accidents. Just what you like to see on a BMW or any European car. And this one's got some options. It's got some options. Before I started the video, I was cruising along, streaming some Bluetooth audio, and man, this thing's got a sound system. I don't know if it's a special one or not, because, that's basically all you got to look at. But it sounds fantastic. And, we got a pano roof, so that's nice. It's an ice blue kind of color. So it's a pretty color on the outside, and of course tan leather on the inside. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to have to do some cleaning. They did have a dog, but fortunately there's not any damage, okay? So that's the most important thing. There's just some muddy paw prints and just, some hair, and it's just, the car's just a little dirty. So I'll get all that cleaned up. We got some makeup build up right here. So I think this was definitely a nice young, or whatever, female woman, lady. It's got her lotion makeup marks here on the steering wheel, very common. But yeah, it got ice cold AC, heated seats if you want those, but hell, it's 75 today in Georgia. Yeah, like 75 degrees. I'm wearing short sleeves. I mean, you know, it's winter time. I mean, what the hell? This is crazy. But yeah, this little 4-cylinder has plenty of power for this. Now, like I said, this is the X3, so it's not the X5, but this is a good size. I have lots of room in this car. My knees aren't like banging up against anything. This is a good size SUV. Now, I haven't tried to sit in the back seat, but, you know, it looks spacious for two. You know, you can get two back there pretty easily, spaciously. But anyway, brand new set of Michelin tires on this mother. I mean, brand new. And I got this thing, I think, for a very good deal. I think book value on it's somewhere around 11 or 12. I got it, man, I got it way down there. Way. Let's just say below $7,000. So I felt like I did pretty good on the deal. But, you know, with the mileage being a little higher, that deducted some value. But anyway, this is her, so we'll just kind of cruise along. I'll shut up. It's pretty trafficy tonight. I didn't get out of work until right at 5 o'clock, so the commute time. So it's a little busy out here right now. But we'll just ride along here and enjoy the cruise. Miles an hour is literally, you know, right about 2,000 RPM, might be 2,100. So it, you know, when you have a comfort mode, and there's even a something called like Eco Pro, so you can throw it into a like a super economy. So that's kind of cool. But anyway, tell me what y'all think about this one. Throw your comments below. I'll include a walk around with this. And we'll see you later on. So here's our walk around of the 14X3. And here's those Michelin tires I was talking about. Yeah, aren't those the LTXs? I believe they are. So they got kind of a aggressive tread, but I guess they look pretty good on there. It does have a dent right there in that door, which is a bummer. But other than that, it's really pretty good. It's gonna clean up nice. It's a kind of a real pretty sky blue, I guess you'd say, color. Real nice. Just very dirty. Very dirty, especially like down here, the rockers and stuff. Let's see, let's unlock it here. I only got one key fob, I hate that. Rear seat, yeah, we got some stains, but luckily this will clean up. It's pretty filthy. Pretty filthy. But the headliner's not bad. So that's good. I hate trying to clean stains out of a headliner. But the seats and everything look good. One thing I didn't note, oh yes, a dog. A dog. One thing I didn't notice was the glove box. I was like, it's missing a piece. Well, that's it. I think it is. Look at that. Now, how am I going to get that warped? Son of a gun back on there. I'm going to have to get me some Dow 799 caulk and squirt all over the back of that damn thing to get on there, I guess. Yeah, I mean, she's a little dirty. But, damn, doesn't have any books or nothing. Oh well, she was a good price, I think. For how good she runs, all the service is up to date. Everything's current. I know I opened that hood. I know I did. Let's try it again. There we go. Let y'all see how much room there actually is under the hood. It's kind of funny. Hang on a second. Hang on, I'm still here. Alright. Look at all that room. Look at that little fella. Got lots of room for a big six. But hey, that's a tidy little 4-cylinder, and look at it under here. It's pretty clean. You know? It probably won't ever run hot. I mean, you got there's a foot of room in here. It doesn't leak anything or stink or smell. No funny smells. Man, just purrs right along. It's got great power. I mean, it's not a rocket ship, but it's very peppy for what it is. So yeah, I think it's kind of cool. I wonder if it has HIDs. I didn't check that. Let's turn on some headlights, see what we got. Just halogen. Oh well. At least the lamps are fairly clear. Yeah, pretty nice. Not bad. Not too shabby. I'm pretty impressed. Happy overall. Anyway, tell me what you guys think about the new 2014 BMW X3. I'm going to get her cleaned up just as fast as I can and get her on the market. Sold the Mercedes today. I'm meeting a guy in about 5 minutes. So it's gone, the diesel. And gosh, I've got another one I got to show y'all. I'm running behind. Anyway, y'all let me know what you think about this one. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you. Peace.